Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a relaxing, real-time clean with me. I thought I was going to do just something a little bit different for you guys, and this is just what I came up with. I do have some things that I need to get done this evening, and I wanted to bring you guys along with me. I need to get my kitchen straightened up. That way when I get up in the morning, it's all nice and clean, and I don't have to worry about anything. There's also a spot on my couch, and I don't know where it came from, but we need to tackle that too. I've got to figure out a way to get that off. I don't want to take off all the covers and wash them. I just kind of want to spot clean it. So we're going to take care of that. I've got some laundry to tackle too. So if you have some things to do, let this just play in the background. We can keep each other company. But for right now, I'm just going to go ahead and get started so we can get this all done.
You should see the city lights tonight. I don't think they've ever burned this bright. Did you know when how everything would turn out? We learned to run, we learned to fight. Sooner or later, we can become strangers. Someday, somewhere, we can be new again. We can be anything that we wanted to be back then. Just wait, just wait. If I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. And if I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. I wanted to be saved before we lost our way. We were picture perfect, but below the surface, I wasn't okay. I made it look the way. I'm saying you deserved it. Sometimes it just happens that way. Sooner or later, we can become strangers. Someday, somewhere, we can be new again. We can be anything that we wanted to be back then. Just wait, just wait. If I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. And if I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. Too soon to know we were in trouble. Too late to make it go away. You always try too hard to hide it. You made it easier each day. If I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. And if I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. I know that I messed up. Wish I could take it back, but it doesn't matter when you look at me like that. I know that I f***ed up, but that doesn't work as an excuse. Sorry doesn't cut it, but I'm sorry for what I did to you. Can only sleep with the TV on. Ever since you left, I'm going through the motions. I'm laying here looking at the door. Please come home, you belong by my side, babe. It's getting cold on the side where you used to sleep, so I get drunk, tangled up in these dirty sheets. I cannot live with myself if you call it quits. I'm gonna stay in this bed until you love me again. If you could just listen to what I have to say, a minute of your time, that's all I want, then I'm out of your way. Maybe I'm selfish for wanting what I want. It's all games till someone gets their heart broken, my love. I can only sleep with the TV on. Ever since you left, I'm going through the motions. I'm laying here looking at the door. Please come home, you belong by my side, babe. It's getting cold on the side where you used to sleep, so I get drunk, tangled up in these dirty sheets. I cannot live with myself if you call it quits. I'm gonna stay in this bed until you love me again. 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 I'm gonna stay in this bed until you love me. It's getting cold on the side where you used to sleep, so I get drunk, tangled up in these dirty sheets. I cannot live with myself if you call it quits. I'm gonna stay in this bed until you love me. Seven years and I'm still waiting. My love is burning in the cold. I find a way to keep my faith in, 'cause you convince me to hold on. Relationships is complicated. You say you will, I know you won't. And this goes on and on and on and on and on. You're just a spinning wheel and I can keep it up. So there you go, and I keep falling slow motion, but they got nothing, nothing on you. Just tell me what you want me to do. Don't wanna wait it like a fool. Can't help myself, I'm reminiscing how it felt to hold you close. I know it hurts, but what's the difference? How this will turn out, no one knows. Relationships is complicated. You say you will, I know you won't. And this goes on and on and on and on and on. You're just a spinning wheel and I can keep it up. So there you go, and I keep falling slow motion, but they got nothing, nothing on you. Just tell me what you want me to do. So there you go, I keep falling slow motion, but they got nothing, nothing on you. Just tell me what you want me to do. Don't wanna wait here. Relationships is complicated. You say you will, I know you won't. And this goes on and on and on and on and on. You're just a spinning wheel and I can keep it up. So there you go, I keep falling slow motion, but they got nothing. was at the wrong place at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing into the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love out loud, love out loud, love out loud, love out loud. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder.
All right, you guys, that is actually all I'm going to do this evening. I'm going to give myself some grace and not make a big deal out of it. I got the main rooms cleaned up. I got the laundry done that I wanted to. Everything's nice and tidy for when I get up in the morning. I'm going to go ahead and make me some egg salad. That's what I want for dinner. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know by giving this one a thumbs up. And if you enjoy realistic, real life mess clean with me videos, make sure you subscribe before you leave. But for now, I'm gonna go. I love you and appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.